The P0776 code means the ECM has detected a problem with the pressure control solenoid B in the transmission. In simple terms, the transmission can't regulate hydraulic pressure correctly for shifting gears. The first cause could be a failing pressure control solenoid B. If solenoid B gets stuck or electrically fails, it won't be able to control the fluid pressure properly. This can cause hard shifts, slipping, or no shift at all. The second cause could be dirty or low transmission fluid. If the fluid is worn out, full of debris, or too low, it can clog or starve the solenoid and valve body, throwing off pressure readings. The third cause could be a bad transmission valve body. If the valve body has internal wear or blockages, even a good solenoid won't be able to control the pressure correctly. The fourth cause is damaged wiring or poor connection going to the pressure control solenoid B. If the plug is loose, corroded, or a wire is shorted or broken, the solenoid won't function correctly. The last possible cause is a bad ECM or TCM. This is rare, but if the computer can't send the right command or misreads the solenoid's response, it can set the P0776 code. If you've dealt with this code before, drop a comment down below and share how you fixed it. It could help someone else out.